Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Arman Alam. I am from Patna, Bihar. I want to say something. That's why I'm recording this video. 2 or 3 days ago, my preceptor and who is no one, my trainer Mr. Rizwan Alam, who had conducted an outdoor debate session with his all students, and he sent a clip in a WhatsApp group. So I watched and heard many more things in that clip. So that's why I felt like answer those all students, those who have participated in that debate in that day. And I heard there is a topic which was going on in that debate session, and the topic was girls are oppressed more than boys. And one more thing, my senior Irfan brother have already participated in that session, and he was speaking in favor of girls topic. He was saying girls are oppressed more than boys, and my friend Ankit, who was supporting boys topic, it means he was saying boys are oppressed more than girls. As I watched that video and that clip, on the basis of that experience I'm saying, so today I feel like speaking behalf of my friend Ankit, and I want to answer my senior Mr. Irfan brother and all students, those who were supporting girls topic and those who were saying girls are oppressed more than boys. So listen to me very carefully. You know what? When I was in Jamshedpur, so I also used to support and I used to say girls are oppressed more than boys, because at that time I didn't know, and I didn't have experience about this matter. That's why I used to say. But nowadays I'm in Pune and I'm working in NCC company as a safety supervisor. So I have got many experience after getting this job. So that's why I can say that no, girls are girls are oppressed more than boys. I can say that boys are oppressed more than girls, because uh, before here I never ever work anywhere, but this is my first job, and after getting this job I am facing many more problem here. Like I worked here 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, and for that I have to wake up early in the morning. I have to wake up 6 a.m. every day and take a bath, and I have to catch my bus every day at 7:30, and I have to punch up my ID which has given by my company before 8 a.m. So that's why I have to wake up. This is the first thing, and perhaps I'm speaking out of the topic, so don't mind. And after reaching my company, I have to take breakfast under 30 minutes, and I have to go to my site and I conduct TBT every day. Then I have to collect so many documents, and I have to write workers names, and one major thing is that nowadays summer is too much, not too much, but summer is uh, high level in Pune, uh, where Pune. So I have to stand under the sunlight continuously 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, and I have to complete my duty at 8 p.m, and then I take dinner, and then I catch my bus for coming my room. You know what? My company located 4 kilometer far from my room, so it take for 10 to 20 minutes because of traffic. It depends on traffic. So I can say that it takes 1 hour extra. apart from my duty. So I work every day 13 hours, more than 13 hours. So it's called boys responsibility. And apart from this, I have to, not I have to, I can say that every safety profession has to listen. Boss, oh, what to say, I don't know what the English meaning of gussa. So I can say that anger. We have to listen because they force us. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. He has given a work, but I'm working and I'm working that work and I'm trying to complete that work. But similarly, he sent second job. Hey Arman, do it immediately. Then he sent, hey Arman, third duty. Hey Arman, do it immediately because I have to submit the client. For that, you have to work immediately. But what to say? I say always, yes, sir. I'm trying to do. I'm doing, sir. So this is the reason, and my dear friends, don't take it seriously. And I have taken some person's name, so don't take it personally. I'm not answering you. Now I'm feeling like speaking English. That's why I'm speaking because I'm also a learner. I'm not a fluent speaker. So on the basis of my experience, I can say that when I was in Jamshedpur, I have already told you at that time I had no any experience. So that's why I used to support girls topic and I used to say and speak in favor of girls. But now I can't support because girls not can't compare with the boys. Okay, because boys are more responsible and boys are oppressed more than girls. And one more thing, I'm feeling like speaking many more things, but I am inwardly thinking uh, it would be okay or not, but no problem. And sir, I want to show something. So wait a moment. Sir, today I got it. I bought Rich Dad and Poor Dad book because I heard many motivational speaker were speaking are speak sorry many motivational speaker used to say that a Rich Dad and Poor Dad book is very beneficial for all a student. Every student should read once this book. That's why I bought it. And sir, and I read 1 to 2 pages, and really, sir, it is a very great book, and I think it will change me. Uh, Change me. What to say? I don't know, sir. I'm feeling hesitate so much because I don't have experience and don't have I habit to record video. So let's read and change ourselves. And and again, I want to request all students don't take it seriously. Work hard and because English is very important. I want to say two lines in my profession for safety officers and safety supervisors. English is very important because I get every day 100 to 100 to 150 messages every day in a WhatsApp group, and all messages written in English. Even a single message is not in Hindi. So I sometimes I think if what happened if I wouldn't know how to speak and how to understand and how to read English, what would happen with me? I couldn't get this job. I couldn't perform my uh, power, and I couldn't show my ability with boss. And you know what, sir, I want to say with you, my boss Kamal Jairaman and Zakir Hussain, Both are from Andhra Pradesh, so they don't speak Hindi clearly. So sometime when he call, both call, hey Arman, do it. It means I'm talk about topic. So I didn't get what did he say. So I told him, sir, I couldn't understand. Say, make me understand in English. Then he make me understand in English, and he speaks everything and he tells me everything in English. Then I get properly, and I say, yes, sir, I'm going to do it. Don't worry. And sir, how are you? I couldn't ask anytime. It is around 11 minutes. I hope you all are good by the grace of Allah, Almighty Allah. So, thank you, sir, for making me able to speak English. I'm highly grateful to you, really. Because of English, I'm getting so much respect here, and especially in a safety. Without English, I couldn't get this job. So thank you so much. And it was my dream, and I wanted to participate outdoor debate session, but it was my dream, and dream सपना सपना ही रह गया. But no problem. When I come to Jamshedpur, so I will request you, please conduct outdoor debate session. So thank you, that's all. Allah Hafiz.